Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to everyone who watching this video presentation. Today, our group is presenting an animal which is named as the blue sea dragon. Before we started, here is our content that will pop up throughout our video presentation. First of all, we have taxonomic description, habitat, characteristics, life cycle, and also the importance to the ecosystem. So here is our group members. The first one is me, Nur Syaratul Adawiyah binti Yusri. Next is Nur Alia Khairina binti Muhammad Mahidin, and Nur Kamarina binti Razwan, Putri Nur Farisha binti Magat Ghazali, and the last one is Nur Masharina binti Zulkafli. So, let's proceed to the first content, which is the taxonomic description. First of all, for the domain of the blue sea dragon, it is under Eukaryota. Meanwhile, the kingdom is called Animalia. Next, the blue sea dragon's phylum falls under Mollusca. The class is Gastropoda, and the order is Nudibranchia. Meanwhile, both of the family and genus have the same name, which is Glaucidae. And last but not least, the species is named as Glaucus atlanticus.
Moving on to the next slide, we are going to talk about the habitat of the sea slug. First, the sea slug can be found from the shallow intertidal to the deep sea, and from the polar regions to the tropics. Second, it is also can be found throughout the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans in tropical and subtropical waters. The blue glaucus grows up to 1.2 inches, equal to 3 centimeters long. Third, this expansion of habitat is likely due to increased water temperatures from the impact of climate change and changes in ocean's currents.
Assalamualaikum, and hi, I'm Putri Nur Farisha, and I will be introducing to you a few characteristics of blue dragon sea slug. Which the first one is they usually float on water surface due to the air stored inside their stomach, and often floats on its backside, showing its bright color underbelly to airborne predators. This blue dragon sea slug has a bright and dark blue color camouflage against spectra of ocean waves and animals. Silvery gray dorsal blends in with bright sea surface. Their deep blue color may also help reflect harmful UV rays and counter shading, which avoid being attacked by flying and swimming predators. These animals has a flattened tapered body along with 6 appendages that branch out into finger-like serrata. Serrata is a long, slender structures that sting when hunting.
So let's talk about the life cycle of the blue sea dragon. So the first stage is the egg stage. The blue sea dragon lay their eggs on the floating objects such as driftwood or the floating egg masses of other sea creatures. Okay, so the eggs will develop into the larvae. So the larva is the next stage of the life cycles. After hatching, the larvae are planktonic, meaning they drift with ocean currents. During this stage, they feed on microscopic plankton. As they go through several development stages before reaching maturity. The next stage, where the adult stage, the blue dragon mollusk has become about 2 to 25 cm big and is almost full size and is almost ready to mate. Adults are hermaphroditic, meaning each individual has both male and female reproductive organ. Where the two blue sea dragon mate, they both transfer sperm to each other. This ensures that both individuals can lay fertilized eggs. Okay, so after a pair mates, they will lay a string of about 16 eggs, and the life cycle is repeating again. The life cycles of the blue sea dragon is adapt to a pelagic lifestyles, allowing them to drift and feed in the open ocean while utilizing unique adaptation for survival and reproduction.
So here are the importance to ecosystems. By preying on these species, they help regulate their populations, preventing potential overpopulation which could disrupt marine ecosystems. Overabundance of siphonophores can lead to increased stingy incidents, affecting both marine life and human activities. Nets play a role in transferring energy from lower to higher tropic within the food web. They consume xenophores and other small marine organisms and in turn can be preyed upon by larger marine animals. This interaction facilitates the flow of energy and in turn boosts the ecosystem, supporting the biodiversity. The next importance is change in their population may reflect alteration in prey availability, water quality, and broader ecological change. Monitoring this change can provide valuable data for assessing the impacts of climate change, pollution, and other environmental stresses on the marine ecosystem. Next, their interaction with other species, both as predators and prey, add complexity and stability to the ecosystem. Diverse ecosystems are more resistant to change and disturbance, maintaining ecological balance and functionality.
Thank you for watching. That's all from us. Bye.